In English, sports often use action verbs to describe what people do. Learning these verbs helps you speak naturally when you talk about games, exercises, and competitions. The main verbs we focus on here are play, score, win, lose, compete, and practice. Each of these words describes a different kind of action in sports. Together, they help express participation, results, and improvement. Let us start by understanding them one by one. The word play is used when we talk about games, team sports, or activities we do for enjoyment. For example, we can say, I play tennis every weekend, or she plays football with her friends. We can also say, they play video games after class. Notice that play is used for activities like football, tennis, or chess, but we do not say play running or play swimming. Those take different verbs like go or do. So remember, play goes with games or sports that have rules, players, or teams. The word score means to get points, goals, or runs in a game. It describes the action of achieving something measurable. For example, he scored 2 goals in the match, or we score every time we practice shooting. You can also say, they scored just before halftime. Score is about earning a result, not just taking part. So whenever points or goals are added, we use score. The word win means to succeed in a game, race, or competition. When people win, they finish first or achieve victory. For example, we won the match yesterday. She wins almost every race she joins. They want to win the championship this year. Win shows achievement and success. It is a positive result. The opposite word is lose, which shows not being successful. The word lose means to be defeated or not succeed in a game, race, or competition. It is the opposite of win. For example, we lost the match by 1 point. They lose sometimes, but keep practicing. She hates to lose after working so hard. Losing is part of sports. It teaches effort, patience, and learning from mistakes. The important thing is to keep trying and improving, even after losing. The word compete means to take part in a contest or try to win against others. It focuses on participation and effort, not just victory. For instance, athletes compete in the Olympic Games. We competed in an online gaming tournament. She loves to compete in local tennis matches. Compete describes being in an event where people test their skills or performance against others. It is about challenge and effort. The word practice means to repeat an activity regularly so that you can get better at it. It is about training, preparation, and improvement. For example, I practice free throws after school every day. She practices piano an hour each morning. They practiced hard before the tournament. Practice helps you build habits and confidence. Remember, practice leads to progress, and progress leads to success. Let us review the key verbs we learned. Play is for games or group activities. Score is when you earn points or goals. Win means to be successful. Lose means not to be successful. Compete means to take part in a contest. Practice means to train and improve your skills. These 6 verbs are powerful words that help you talk clearly about sports and achievements. Use them naturally in your sentences to describe what you do, how you perform, and how you get better through effort.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.